Today we had posted this chart as there was a breakout and there was a good pickup in volume. And the question is this bearish or this is bullish? The right answer is this is bearish. Uh, in theory, mostly we have said that breakout with good volumes is bullish, but you have to also see that. Let me first show what happened after this breakout. This is the ICICI Bank chart. See, after this breakout, you can see there was complete reversal. So from this level 955, the stock is almost 100 rupees down. So what is the issue? If you see, the movement here is very narrow. So narrow movement is not actually bullish. And if you see closely, this is an ending diagonal pattern, and ending diagonal pattern means actually that the stock will now reverse the trend. And as it is, after this breakdown, you can see the stock has slowly and steadily moving down. So what exactly is a strong breakout or strong movement to the upside? If you see on the left, this movement where the price swiftly moves from one point to another is a bullish movement, whereas when the price moves in a tight range to the upside, then that is bearish movement. Because if this is a strong movement, it will move like this, and if it is a very bearish movement, then it will move like this. So now let us see after this breakdown what but to I mean to tap innocent people in this chart, they normally in these sort of breakout there is a huge volume, and this attracts the normal people and they enter. However, soon, but if you recognize that this structure is normally bearish at the top. Now let me after this, if you see, if you observe this price in terms of impulse and correction, this is an impulsive move followed by a corrective move. Then this is again the follow-up impulse. For this, we again got an impulsive. This is a corrective pattern to this impulse, and for this impulse there is a follow-up impulse to the downside. Now again, then for now after this moment we got a bigger correction for this impulse. So this is a bigger correction, and bigger correction means bigger in time and price. If you compare this correction, so this correction is bigger in time, it will take more time, it will be bigger than this correction. So after this bigger correction, again you can see one follow-up move to the downside. So if you always when you are trading or investing, if you notice all these things, not just look the breakout, but also look into these, whether it's a swift movement or narrow movement. Thank you.